We have an Audi A3. If you're looking to replace the washer fluid pump, got the front bumper removed as well as the inner fender plastic here. And as you can see, it exposes both of the washer fluid pumps. One right here, a smaller one, and then a larger one on this side, as well as the washer fluid sensor. So if you're looking to replace any of these, you can find it up underneath the bumper. It's a little bit difficult to get at. There is one bolt right up here, and then a couple more nuts on the inside. So if you do take off this inner fender well right here, if you do remove that, you can get at the washer fluid reservoir. It's a little bit tight because the pumps are actually on the other side of the reservoir itself. So you might have to take off this inner fender and then come up from underneath the front bumper. But if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Otherwise, I hope this video is helpful. Good luck with your project, guys. Have a great day.